We offer every service in the industry basically. We'll fix your boat, we'll haul your boat, we'll sell your boat, we'll rig your boat. We can paint them, we can repower your boat. We're, as a Cummins dealer and an Onan generator dealer, we can do gen power. And then we recently expanded to Yamaha.
You started as a boat builder in Cordova and you moved into your first location in Town Creek in 1995?
Yeah, so we started out in Town Creek in 1995. We continued to build boats there for the next 18 years. We still do a lot of service projects there, and we would actually build boats if we thought somebody really wanted to do it. And, our process is essentially it's going to take you a year to build a boat, and you got to enjoy the process as part of that. You're at our Jacks Point location here. We bought this yard in 2004. This is our Yamaha service center. We've been Yamaha for 2 years now, so now we've gotten several of our mechanics certified, so we're in it for the long haul. We got into this program because there's many boats, larger boats in particular, that are putting multiple motors. They're doing. It used to be twins was a big deal. Now they're doing triples, quads, and even larger amounts of motors.
We're standing in front of one of your projects, a beautiful Hinckley Bermuda 40.
Yeah, so this is one of 4 Bermuda 40s that we take care of. This one we did the maintenance varnish on it this winter and did some detailing. This has been an ongoing project this customer's been working on for many years, and it's turning out quite well.
We're in the paint booth at Jacks Point. What are we looking at here, Tom?
So this is a Campbell Nicholson 36. It looks like just a regular paint job. I would call it more of a restoration. We removed 4 coats of paint off of this boat before we painted it. So this was a prime high build and top coat job. We expanded to Bachelor's Point. This is an 86 slip marina. We put in the 75-ton travel lift when we took over here.
We're standing aboard.
This is Highlander. This is Bruno and Stillman 42 hull that we bought actually from Nauset Marine out in Orleans, Mass. She was built in 94, 95. So she was commissioned in 95 at our Town Creek boatyard right after we took ownership there.
First boat you ever built?
This is the first boat I did on my own. And what's interesting is a lot of the guys here at this yard today helped do this boat back in 95. This is a Campbell 37. It's Cummins power, which is our preferred power. It's got a QSC 540 horsepower diesel engine. We're an Onan dealer as well, so it has a 6.5 kW Onan with a sound box in the engine room as well.
A bona fide boat builder is the person doing the work on their boats, and you've got you bring a lot to the table with 3 full facilities.
Yeah, we try. I feel like we've got the most diversified staff you could have in this industry right now. And the average age of my shop actually will speak for that. Most of my guys are probably somewhere around 50 to 60 years old, and many of them have been in this industry for over 25 years, some of them up to 40. This is our new sea dock. It's a Sullivan EP floating dock system. We have 50 amp power at all the slips on this particular dock. We upgraded our Wi-Fi substantially this year, so we have good Wi-Fi all the way to the T-head.
And this is also where Campbell's Yacht Sales is located, right?
Yeah, so we're standing on the deck right outside of our yacht sales office here. PJ Campbell, my younger brother, he runs the boat sales with my assistants and everybody else in the yard if needed.
How many boats did you sell last year?
We sold 30 boats last year, and we probably could have done more. The tricky thing right now is trying to find inventory, nice boats to sell. People are really interested in getting back on the water.
And if you're from out of town, you get to enjoy Oxford while you're...
And that's a big part of this place. So everything we do, and we did it for years at the boat shows, we're always marketing our neat little town here. Oxford, if you like peace and quiet, this is a super pleasant place to be. We got a couple little stores in town that have some neat local crafts that they sell. We bring a lot to the table there.